Welcome back to the TECHNESS Corner. Today we're doing an NVMe SSD portable thumb drive for you all, showing you how easy and simple it is. So let's go. First things first, you're going to need yourself an NVMe. I recommend this Western Digital. It's a 500GB NVMe, budget orientated. Gen 3 will do the tricks. It's got about 2,400 reads and about 1,700 writes, so it should be sufficient enough as a thumb drive. Next, you're going to need an enclosure. So I've got one of these Simplecom enclosures. They cost and they range between $20 to $100. You get yourself something around $40 that has a decent heatsink on it and you'll be set. On top of that, sometimes you might need an additional cable, that's an extender, and you'll notice why in a second, guys. So let's go building up this NVMe and showing you how simple and easy it is to get done. Fast, portable storage on the cheap and on the fly. Let's go. So first things first, open up our NVMe. So as you can see, very short, hence why we've got the extended cable. Then we proceed with unscrewing and pulling apart the NVMe enclosure with the provided screwdriver. Open up the NVMe. Find the screw that you would have got with it. Floppy, correct. Unfloppy, not correct. And screw it in. Not too tight, but firm. Put it back in. Make sure to note the grooves and how you took it out to begin with. A magnetized screwdriver works wonders. And screw in. One. Two. Check the rigidity. And you're all done, guys. One NVMe with a USB-C connectivity, also USB-C and or 3.0 adapter that comes with a Simplecom enclosure. In this case, no more than $100 for the lot, rather than spending $200-300 for a portable, fast NVMe SSD. TECHNESS Corner, my name's Sebastian Lukas. Come and watch our extended footage on how to do these. If in doubt, over and out. Peace.